Hello everyone, this is Napso and you're welcome to another edition of our PHP tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to return multiple values from a function using PHP. So let's start by creating a new file, and I'm going to save this. I'll save it right here. Let's go like on, just call it tuts.php. Yeah. Save. Okay, so let's start by opening our PHP function parenthesis. Alright, so right now what we're gonna do is let's say we want to include another PHP script. So let's call this maybe inc dot function dot inc dot php. Alright, save that, and we have this as well. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is include that .inc.php. Yeah, so that's included, and let's say in this function, PHP script, we want to write a function called maybe get pets. It's called get pets. Okay, and get pets take two parameters or one parameter, or depending on the number of parameters. So let's say pet A and pet B. Alright, so in here what we're gonna do is just write something like we can define this variable, maybe call let's call it sentence. So we're gonna define it first. We can go like sentence is equal to maybe A and B. Your pets are A and B. Yeah, so that's it. What we want to do is return sent. Right, so when we get here, since we've included this function in here, it means we can access anything in there. So we can go like get func is equal to, and the function name is called get pets. Right, and in get pets takes two parameters, so we have to pass in two parameters. So the first one we can go like cats, and the second one we can go like maybe dogs. Alright, or this maybe similar. Yeah, so what we can do is just echo it. So let's see what we're gonna get right away. Localhost call it eshard, call it tuts.php. Okay, so your pets are cats and dogs, so this is what it returns right here. Your pets are cats and dogs. So let's say we want to return a lot of things, like a bunch of stuff, and not just your pets are this and this. What I did today was maybe I have a different function. I can call this get fruits, right? And maybe get fruits take or let's say get food takes two parameters. We can call this A as well, and maybe B, just anything that you want. And what get food does is it takes the parameters from here and it tells you the food that your pets like to eat. So we can go like in here, we can call the function get food. So we have get food, and we're gonna pass in A and B. Yeah. Alright, let me change these parameters a little so you guys don't get confused. So we have food 1 and we have food 2. Okay, so these are the stuff we're gonna pass in. So let's say A likes to eat let's say fish, and B likes to eat meat, right? So we got this: A likes to eat fish and B likes to eat meat. So fish will be given to food 1 and meat will be given to food 2. So what we want to do is process it. So we can go like we can also call this sentence. Sentence is equal to your pets like to eat food 1 and food 2. Okay, so let's return this and go like return this sentence. Okay, now let's do something. We're gonna echo get food is equal to get food, right? And it takes 2 parameters, and okay, all right, let's just say it takes 2 parameters, and let's say FO and Geo. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's do this. Alright, fatal call to undefined food on line 7. Alright, I think it's capital F. Alright, so let's refresh it, and here we go. Your pets like to eat pho and go. Okay, so let's say we don't want to return stuff here, like we don't want to call the function from the index, we want to call the function from right here. And what we want to do is maybe we're trying to echo out or process a lot of data, and we need an ID to be passed here, we need an ID to be passed here. But it will be easier if you write everything in one function, then call this function from within this function. So you have the same ID, you just pass it to both of them and return the values. And what you do is you use this index to get everything that is returned in this function, like in the get pets function. So that's what we're going to do right now. And so we have get food is equal to fish and meat, right? So we're gonna put this in a variable, this right here. So let's call this I'm just gonna call it get food as well. Get food is equal to this. So this is what is going to be returned to get food. Your pets like to eat food 1 and food 2, and we'll definitely get fish and meat, and we are returning this sentence. So get food will be equal to this, depending on the parameters you pass in here and here. That's fish and meat. Okay, so this is what we have, and we want to pass these two separately to touch to this variable. So how are we going to do it? Instead of returning just sent, we can return an array. So we're going to return an array. The first one is sent, and the second one is get food. Okay, so this is what's going to be returned, and let's try refreshing things and see what's going to happen. Array, because we are not getting anything, like we're not showing the contents of the array yet. Okay, so what we can do is let's comment this line out, and we're going to use it. We're going to use the inbuilt function called list. So we can go like list, and the first list I can call A, then the second list I can call B, is equal to get pets. That's the get pets function. And since we're calling this function, we'll have to pass in 2 parameters, because get pets takes 2 parameters, A and B. So we're gonna pass in cat and dog, right? So that's it. Now, for us to be able to access the contents of what we have here, let's try echoing it out and see what's going to happen. We're not going to get the results as you think we will. We still have array. Okay, so to access the contents there, let's create a variable which is going to be maybe you can call this the get pets function, and we're just going to assign it to a. So that's it, a. So this is going to get whichever value is in here, whatever is returned. And right here, sent is what's returned first. That's the sentence, like for the pets, this is what is returned first. So this variable will get whatever is in this variable right here, and we can go like get food func is equal to b. So this was gonna be so we can try echoing it out. So we're gonna echo this, and we're gonna echo this, and I think I would like to echo yeah. So let's try it out. Okay, so you got it. Your pets are cat and dog. Your pets like to eat fish and meat. I'm getting array here. Let me see. Okay, this one I'm echoing this. That's not supposed to be there. Alright, so let me refresh it, and we have it right here. It worked perfectly. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a nice day.